Okay, so I seem to have this weird problem with my phone. When it comes to playing sounds, it just messes up. Let's just see this. That, whatever the sound is, if I just try to play something, oh, that's the same thing. If I lock my screen, it's meant to have a sound, but let's just try if there's anything on here. Any videos, whatever this is. No idea what is going on. If I play not YouTube, let's see a game.